Hello. Ooh. Okay, it will be better. From Slovenia again. I will do a split cup, and I will use some colors that I already used for the collaboration video for Gail from Life, from Splatters. And I am using some, this is metallic mint and turquoise blue and metallic didn't mean to do that, metallic cobalt blue from Artist Loft. And here is white gold and iridescent precious gold and antique bronze, and I will put all the colors into the description box. And I think that I will add just a little more of this turquoise here on top, and I want to have a little less paint today. And this gold here, and in the middle one I will add just black in the middle compartment. Okay. So as I said, I will publish my, we will, with Gail, publish our videos on Saturday, so you can check what we did. I will not tell you more. Okay, I have some green here on black, but doesn't matter. So let's start. Oop, that's something. Okay, I will grab my gloves. You see how I lose my thing because I don't have enough black around. So this is why I like to have enough paint around to stretch the way I want it to. And I see that thing in the paint. Where is my pipette? I have to bring out. Here it is. Okay, and I'm done. I'm happy with the composition, I'm happy with the colors, I'm happy with the sides. Not completely, but I have to cover just some of them and then I will take you for a close-up. I even like that part that it has this kind of I just need a little black here, just plain black. And what I need here, a little of this turquoisey bluish color and a little of this gold here. My hands are shaking again. Wow, the sides are just so beautiful too. I love them. I don't know, maybe I even like it that way, but still, this is my go-to. This looks like a tree. I hope that I can show you this on camera. So let me take it down. See this part here? Reminds me of a tree or something. You see it, but kind of blurry with all this shimmering there and this coral here and another one. It's definitely underwater thing. See, with some sand and another, I don't know what. Maybe I should tilt this just a tiny bit, just to... I will. And this bottom part with all this white gold and bronze. It's just something that I really like. So tell me what you think about it. I think that it's nice painting from the deep sea. I really like this, they don't bother me, this metallic bubbles kind of, you see, they look really interesting, like they are floating in this deep sea. This coral is fantastic. Oh, and I want to show you the sides if you can see them. See all these lines here. See, just beautiful. And because of all these metallics and golds and everything will dry really nice, I think. So yay, I'm happy. Tell me what you think about this one, and bye.